everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber Westbrook and today we are making an ugly Christmas sweater. I'm here at Ross and we're gonna go on a little adventure to find just a regular sweater, and then I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get a whole bunch of stuff there, and I'm gonna see what I can make of it. And with that, let's go to Ross. I know I'm here for an ugly Christmas sweater, but
ooh, what if I made an ugly Christmas dress? Totally gonna do it. I found one.
Okie dokie, so we have everything. There's all the... I was trying to show you, but it's not gonna work. Next stop, Dollar Tree.
Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. So much good stuff.
This one comes in a pack of 5 because one for $1 is just never enough. This is exactly what I need. Definitely a must. I'm gonna go with this one. What about some flowers? I'm gonna put flowers on it.
Ooh, look, not even in the Christmas section. Okay, time to check out and go home.
So this is the one that I chose. This is the greenish sweater dress that I decided that I'm going to decorate if I don't fall over. You need to try it on as you're putting decor on. I mean, unless you want to be that person that dresses like this, that's 100% okay. Just do whatever you want to do. I'm going to start with this big one because I really like this for the center. See? Just like that. Now let's get to work. Glue some of this stuff on and then I'll show you the finished product. As you saw already, I got this big bow, a couple of these kind of smushed up looking gold poinsettias, some shimmery pipe cleaner, 3 of these little snowflakes, some red flowers, this really cool shiny bauble thingy, 2 packs of bows because these can be really good filler, this really cool 4-pack of reindeer ornaments, and then I got a whole bunch of this fluffy stuff. Oh, this is going to be a very glittery project, everyone.
First up, I'm going to secure this with a few simple stitches with the needle and thread, and then go in with a hot glue gun to get all the extra edges. Then I'm going to glue bows all the way around the neckline. Guys, I wish I had like the perfect formula to give you, but honestly, I just kind of was winging it and hoping for the best. I did think it was pretty clever to twist 2 of the colors of pipe cleaner together and make some candy canes for the top to add some interest. Also, I totally cheated and added some grommets that I already had because it was a little boring at the shoulders. I also wanted to add my name on it somewhere, so I made my name out of pipe cleaners and put it on the back. I decided to be totally extra and make a hair clip out of the poinsettias from the dollar store. All I did was glue all the pieces of the flower together so that it would stay and not come apart when I wore it in my hair, and then I glued the whole thing to this little clip. I already had these in my collection because, I tend to hoard craft supplies whether I need them or not. Lucky for me, this time I needed it.
So this is the finished look. I'm totally happy with it. I mean, look at how fabulous this looks because it is an ugly sweater party, and I have to say I totally slay it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell icon so you never miss an upload from me. I upload every Monday and Thursday, so if you're looking for more fabulous tips, then keep a lookout because videos are coming your way and they're all going to be just as fabulous as this. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, never stop dreaming and never stop DIYing.